This machine automatically completes the mixing, extrusion, molding, cutting, and packaging processes. Its servo drive ensures precise cutting and smooth surfaces. It is suitable for products such as colored clay, plasticine, sculpting clay, light clay, sugar clay, yeast, and dental model parts. We can customize single-color plasticine extruder and packaging lines, as well as multi-color plasticine extruder and packaging lines with 6 colors, 8 colors, 10 colors, 12 colors and other colors, to meet your plasticine product needs. This machine can be combined with an automatic cartoning machine, blister packaging machine, filling machine, case packer, and labeler to create a fully automated production and packaging line. This linkage line utilizes a PLC, servo motors, sensors, inverters, rotary encoders to control and use touchscreen display. Please contact us for inquiries.